G'day, Shane here from Build Smart, 28 Patrick Street, just looking at a scope of works on a leak in the roof space. Leak has now been fixed from what I understand, and this damage underneath needs to be repaired. Current existing ceiling is Pinex sheets with joins, and obviously that decorative kind of batten over the top of the joins, and I've just got a half round around the outside. Obviously there's an existing ceiling up there, the original, and then they put this Pinex one under it. We can't match the Pinex anymore, so just need to determine whether the scope is to just replace this part here with a bit of jib. Unfortunately, it's wider than a standard sheet, so even a wide line sheet isn't that wide, so we're going to have to put it up in two bits. If it is to be jib, then it's going to have to be stopped. Then the timber beads put around the outside of it and then repainted, and then we need to repaint this full ceiling all the way through to get an even consistency. The other option is if it can't be in jib, because this jib's part here will look different to this, it's a different texture, whether we need to remove these two sheets, disconnect the light, redo this full ceiling in new jib, and then put it back up again. Just need to determine which way we're going to go about it. So that's making the ceiling right. There looks to be a bit of mould growing on the underneath side of this existing timber ceiling. That would definitely need to be treated and all removed before the new sheets went up.
So here's a plan of it here. The full length of the hallway, 2750 by 1450 wide, and obviously if it's just to be replaced in a part replacement, this part here is 2 meters long by 1450 wide, and as mentioned, if it does go back up in jib or MDF, there will be a join in it one way or the other, which will need to be stopped to get that consistent look up there, and then the full ceiling repainted.